What's going on? This is Billy Kennedy. Today I'm going to show you the polymath Mneme integration in the OpenClaw. Now, I'm not going to get too much into it because the other day I did a video on what polymath is. It's for ragging videos and pictures that a content creator would have. This would be your static posts ragged, so you could easily pull them. Say you might not remember where you stored them, or a reel that you made, you might want that easily accessible. Now with OpenClaw, there's like commands. I kind of forget what they were. It's like I think visual underscore skill behaves a little bit differently than polymath with this plugin, so I have to figure that out. But this is all open source. You could download this, add it to your OpenClaw setup, and it opens up a file explorer for you and highlights the image, but it's not showing in OBS for some reason. That could be something to do with how my OBS is hiding parts of my computer. I think it does do that. Moving on with our demonstration. So now I'm gonna have it find a video. Settings, click on stream. One thing I'm noticing about the OpenClaw integration is it runs a little bit slower than polymath naturally does, and I think that has to do with all the context. This OpenClaw runs off like a rag setup for the memory, or passes old memory back through it, so it's passing a lot of context in addition to find my BMX reel using polymath skills. So it's doing like a lot of different thinking just to perform the agentic action and be like, oh, well, here's your video that you asked for. Whereas it's C++, it's a lot faster with polymath. Well, it's been about a minute or two. It's still just going. It's also GPT 4.5 codex CLI medium. Now they tell me if I upgrade my subscription, it's faster. It told me the other day I could have saved 50 minutes if I upgraded. I was like, you think I care? It's funny. You know what I do half the time? I'll spec it with the high level AI, and then I'll write all the code with like a lesser model. And then I'll tell the AI it's better to review it. Like spec it with Opus, code it with Haku, go back to Opus. Yeah, this has taken a long time. So in my honest opinion, you're better off using polymath without OpenClaw. You can't see it on the screen, but we got a video. What if I played it? Will it show you the media player? No. There's a way to show you more of my screen. I think it's the way my source is set up, where it's only showing you what's in the browser. It's not the actual screen. My bad, guys. This is my website. I sell open source tools here. I was actually going to show you, and before I end it, you did great. It's still going. You could also release the VRAM like in the other video. I can't type today. Might help if I put my fingers in the right spot. Can you release the VRAM using polymath? Now the broker in this one, you could actually just come over here and do it yourself. It opens up /Mneme /GPU. We have to tell OpenClaw to open it. Now I'm gonna try to get this contributed to OpenClaw. That's what I'm gonna do. But I have to figure out how to make it more congruent with OpenClaw, because polymath shows you your image, which OpenClaw will too. I don't know why it's not just showing us the image, but we got to figure out that. And then the GPU thing, because the GPU thing, you're supposed to see the little bar up here in your app, and it's hard to just inject it there unless we custom the code base, basically fork it, make our own fork of it. And I'm not trying to do that because it's right with polymath. Like I have a GitHub that nobody knows about, it's almost impossible for me to make polymaths and get 100,000 stars. But if we contribute to OpenClaw, now people know about us. We contributed this to that. Now it's taken too long to do it. I'm just gonna release the GPU. Well, I'm gonna end the video. I just noticed the camera battery died. That's pretty much it for this video demo. You could download it, github.com/bkennedy shit /OpenClaw-polymath.